Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Zarina Aslam, Subject Specialist of Pakistan Studies at Divisional Public School and College, Sahiwal. I welcome you all in today's online class. Dear students, hope you will be fine. Let's start our today's lesson. Chapter number 7, Agriculture. Today, we will study about the distribution of major crops of Pakistan. Learning objectives of today's lesson. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to identify the plant of wheat and maize. These two crops are shown here, wheat and maize. Describe the distribution of wheat and maize in Pakistan and the factors of their distribution. Identify this crop. Think about it. It has grains. Yes, this is wheat. It is a plant of wheat. Question is, wheat is a Rabi or Kharif crop? Think about it. Wheat is the most important Rabi crop of Pakistan. It is sown in winter in the month of October and harvested in summer, May. Examples of Rabi crops are wheat, barley, oilseeds, gram, percentage share of major agricultural crops of Pakistan. Look at this data and find out which crop has the largest percentage share by value. Yes, it is wheat. Wheat is one of the main agricultural crops in Pakistan. Question is, wheat is included in food crop or cash crop? So it is included in food crop because wheat is included in food crop. Wheat cater the food needs of the growing population of the country. Now the again question is, why is wheat the most important crop? It is the best of the cereal food and provide more nourishment for human than any other food source. Wheat is a major diet component. Importance of wheat. Wheat is a staple food used in the manufacture of roti, biscuits, macaroni, noodles, bread, cakes, and other many food items. This is the first step to sow the seeds of wheat. In the month of October, land is plowed. Plowing means prepare the land for crop planting. Pair of bullock is used on many of the small scale subsistence farm in Pakistan. The traditional wooden plow can also be seen in this field. In cash crop farming, tractor is used for plowing. After plowing the field, next step is sowing the seed of wheat. Here, sown word is used to scatter seeds or to throw seeds directly into the ground for growth, as it shown in these two fields. This field shows wheat crop in its early stages. Level land and soil is necessary for it so that watering is easy. Wheat, canal. Two-thirds of wheat crop is grown in canal irrigated areas. Total area under wheat crop is 5 million hectares. In dry areas other than canal irrigated lands of the country, it is grown where winter and summer rains are sure and abundant. Important areas of wheat cultivation in Punjab: Multan, Sahiwal, Faisalabad, Sargodha, Muzaffargarh, Jung, Bahawalpur, and Dera Ghazi Khan. In Punjab, other areas are also included in wheat cultivation in Punjab. In Sindh, Sakkar, Hyderabad, Nawab Shah, and Khairpur, and other areas are also shown here for wheat cultivation in Sindh. In KPK, Peshawar, Bannu, Charsadda, and Mardan in KPK. In Balochistan, Khuzdar, Nasirabad are important areas for wheat produce. Identify this crop. It is maize. Question is, maize is a Rabi or Kharif crop? Think about it. Maize is a Kharif crop. It is sown in June in summer season and harvested in September. Examples of Kharif crops: maize, cotton, sugarcane, millet, rice. Importance of maize. It is a food grain. It is used to make popcorn, corn flour, custard powder, oil production, It is also used as fodder for animals. Important areas of maize cultivation. Most of the maize is grown in the plains of Punjab. For example, D.G. Khan, Muzaffargarh, Bahawalpur, Sahiwal, Okada, Jung, and other areas are also included in the cultivation of maize in Punjab. In KPK, Peshawar, Mardan, and other areas are also included in maize cultivation. There is no cultivation of maize in Balochistan and Sindh provinces. Distribution of major crops of Pakistan. Now is the time to revise our concept through MCQs about wheat and maize. Chapter number 7, Agriculture, Distribution of Major Crops of Pakistan, Wheat, Maize. Choose the correct option. Four options are given. You have to choose only one. Number 1. Wheat is the most important crop. A. Kharif, B. Rabi, C. Spring, D. Rainy. Choose the correct answer. Correct option. The answer is Rabi. Number 2. Wheat is grown in canal irrigated areas. A. 2/3, B. 3/3, C. 4th, D. 5th. So answer is 2/3. Number 3. Total area under wheat is A. 35 million hectare, B. 25 million hectare, C. 15 million hectare, D. 5 million hectare. Correct answer is 5 million hectare. Number 4. Maize is used for food and animal. A. Fodder, B. Drinking, C. Leather, D. Clothes. So which is the correct answer? A. Fodder. Maize is an important crop of A. Rabi, B. Winter, C. Kharif, D. Dry. So correct answer is Kharif. Now it's a time for homework. Question number 1. Name 5 areas of wheat cultivation. Question number 2. What are the uses of maize? You have to write any 2 uses of maize. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.